good morning everyone. I hope you have your chainsaw. I hope you have everything ready. I hope you have your generator if you need it, because we sure need it. And we're still working on our woods, on our fallen trees. Some of those are behind me. So day number 7, no power, still using generator, still processing our fallen trees, and made my bush pile or brush pile right there. Thank you for staying with me. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video as well. So this is the area that we're gonna work on today. Much thinner trees, but much more of them fell down on this side than on the other. Man, that's a lot of trees. They just fell down like a grass. In about 1 minute, I saw all of them going down through my window, and it was not a pleasant view. Okay, let's take out a couple of these roots or stumps. This one over here, this one over there, and the big one over here. Let's see how it's gonna go. Alright, so after a few hours working on this area, I got a bunch of those trees out of the way. Some roots over there, some thin logs over here. And these are the trees that I want to save, and you can see on the back still much more needs to be cleared out. Good thing I have a perfect spot for these roots. I'll show you that later. Now this video is a few days later. My pile of thin logs got a little bit bigger. We got this little pile of firewood. Now all of that pile came from this area over here. I still have few more trees that needs to be taken down, but it's much better than it was. I tried to save this pine and the other one over there. We'll see how it's gonna go in the future. But all of this area is now clear. Few more logs over there. There's some leftovers. And it's a huge slope, so not very easy to work on. All of this area was full of trees, and still, you know, a few more needs to be working on. There's a pile. There's a pile. Now I mentioned a moment ago that I have a perfect spot for those roots. I want to show you where I'm putting them. I have like a huge dish or whatever you call it. It's like a hole in the ground or something like that. So I just been stacking those roots in there. Then I'm gonna cover all of that with dirt, and it's gonna be more flat area. It's actually right there. So this is it. So all of this area was just like an open area, because hills. We got one hill from this side, the other hill, like, you know, this side, and the rainwater just gushes through this area and wash all of this area away, and it's like 15, even 20, maybe in places 25 feet deep. As always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you did not do that yet. Next video is gonna be about this thing over there and something that I made by myself. Very useful, very helpful. See you next time.